Take it from a men's celebrity stylist. If you master these color combinations, your everyday outfits are going to look 10 times better. Hey you! First up, we have a color combo that works for every skin tone, provided that you don't go too bright with either shade. Navy and green. One of the great things about this combination is that both colors have gray undertones, which will effectively brighten your complexion without stealing focus. Basically, they help you wear the clothes, not make it look like the clothes are wearing you, which is definitely something you want to avoid. Always avoid blues and greens that are on the louder side in favor of a more muted feel, and this is why I'm specifying navy here. Make sure your blue tones are similar to these and your green tones look like this. Also, stay away from greens such as these guys here. These are gonna throw your look off entirely, either washing you out or making you look sloppy or juvenile. When it comes to putting an outfit together, navy and green are both so versatile that you can wear either on your top or bottom half, but I've got a few ways to wear them depending on the time of year. Now for warmer weather, try a green short sleeve button-up shirt or a polo with navy chinos or shorts. As for when it gets colder, darker green pants with a blue trucker jacket layered over a gray sweater or white t-shirt is sheer neutral perfection. So we all know that being familiar with what colors to wear together can save you valuable time when putting together outfits. And another resource that has been a major time saver for me has to be the sponsor of today's video, HomeAglow. In case you're unfamiliar, HomeAglow specializes in 5-star house cleaning at affordable prices, and their online booking service allows you to schedule top-rated cleaners for both special occasions or on a regular basis. Now, I recently used HomeAglow when I had a busy week working with some new clients, and guys, I can't tell you how great it felt knowing that I was coming back to a nice, clean home. The booking process really couldn't have been simpler. All I had to do was go to their website, choose a day, time, and duration that worked for me, and I was able to see all of their available cleaners. I just loved how I could browse reviews of their background checked cleaning staff and see before and after photos of their work. Now, I felt really reassured knowing that I was going with a trusted and certified cleaner who could cater to my specific needs. Take home cleaning off your plate by using HomeAglow. Head to homeaglow.com/mensfashioner or scan the QR code on screen to get your first 3 hours of cleaning for only $19. Big thanks to HomeAglow for sponsoring this video. Next up, we're going for a timeless color combo that's not just reserved for your tuxedos. Guys, there's no doubt that black and white is an essential color combo, and it's a great choice if you've only recently started experimenting with your style. And the best part is, you probably own a lot of black and white pieces that you can pair together right now. Now, I love a white top half, like a t-shirt or Oxford shirt, paired with black jeans and white sneakers. And while an all black monochromatic look can be both stylish and very chic, it can also err on the side of boring. With my clients, I like to break up all black outfits with some clever layering of white that adds a subtle pop of brightness. For example, try a black jacket like a bomber, overshirt, or crew neck sweater, a white t-shirt or collared shirt, and black pants like jeans or dress pants. Leave your jacket open and style that t-shirt with a front tuck for those extra style points. And when you're wearing a black crew neck sweater, simply use your white t-shirt as your hint of white at the neckline and bottom of the sweater. Boom, instant upgrade to your average all black look. Next up, we're going for something a bit more rustic, a bit more autumn, a bit more earthy. Believe me when I say that olive and rust are two sophisticated earth tones that need a place in your wardrobe. The reason why is that the muted green of olive and the deep orangish/reddish brown creates a warm and stylish look that works great during the fall months, but it can also work during springs and summer and even winter too. And when I say olive green, I mean olive green. Avoid cool tone greens like forest green and instead stick with shades like these. These will bounce off the warmth and richness of your rust shades perfectly. These colors work for shirts or pants, but if you have like a Caucasian or Asian skin tone, keep the rust tones relegated to your pants, as rust-colored shirts can actually make fair skin look washed out or sickly. Now, a super easy outfit formula for this combo is an olive jacket or shirt, white t-shirt, and rust-colored pants or shorts. And if you've got darker skin, you can try a rust-toned top with olive-colored pants or shorts. Perfect for keeping that warm, cozy vibe, especially when the weather gets chillier. Up next, we have a color combo that has you covered for all 4 seasons, just down to its variety in tone. It's blue and brown. The key to combining blue and brown in the same outfit is to match the tones of each color. Basically, darker browns go better with darker blues, while lighter browns like tan work best with lighter blues. And the combo you go for should really depend on the time of year. For example, the warm, rich tone of navy blue and dark or medium brown gives you more of a fall vibe, while you get more of a summer or springtime feel from a light or sky blue and camel brown. I see so many guys putting darker browns and lighter blues together, and I'm here to put a stop to all that. When you do this, it throws off the balance of your entire look and makes you seem like, frankly, a noob to this whole fashion thing, which, if you've been following my advice at all, I know you're not. Now, generally, the best way to execute blue and brown in an outfit is to think of the earth and the sky. Brown on the bottom, blue on top. You can, however, switch this up in the case of blue jeans and a jacket. And a personal favorite outfit combo is a brown trucker jacket paired with a white tee and classic dark blue jeans. This always looks great. Let's keep the brown now, but swap out the blue for cool green shade. Now, it's true that brown and green works all year round, but like the last combo, you're gonna have to do some slight tweaking depending on what time of year it is. During fall and winter, you should always go for an earthy forest green, which always looks great during the cooler months, but you never want to go too light with the brown, as shades like tan and camel will just look off when paired with the deeper forest green. Now, a lighter tan shade during the spring and summer months, on the other hand, looks great, especially when you pair it with a cool olive or sage green. The one disclaimer I'd like to add is if you have pale or Asian skin tones, you're definitely better off keeping the lighter brown color to your bottom half, like in your shorts or chinos, as a tan shirt will only make you look sickly or washed out. Now, if you have a darker complexion, however, you can easily get away with wearing either shade on your top or bottom half. That's it for now, guys. Any other color combos you're a big fan of, or any that I've missed, be sure to let me know down in the comments.